Jai Gurudev. Good morning students. How are you all? All are fine? That's good. Today your teacher is going to take your reading of A sound words. Which sound words? A sound words. So look at the board. Student, now you know how to read 2-letter words. Yes? Today we will read 3-letter words. Yes? So ready? Shall I start? A-T. At. At. B-A-T. B-A-T. Bat. P-A-T. P-A-T. Pat. S-A-T. S-A-T. Sat. Again. S-A-T. S-A-T. Sat. Yes? Now next. A-D. Add. Add. Now see here 3-letter words. We are reading with the help of phonic drill. D-A-D. D-A-D. Dad. L-A-D. L-A-D. Lad. H-A-D. H-A-D. Had. My dear students, with the help of 2-letter words, we can write down here any letters and we can read 3-letter words. Yes? So thank you.